Today we are going to see SAP ERP introduction and SAP navigation. In ERP introduction, we will cover this topic. We will cover ERP packages, introduction to SAP, function and objective of material management. Okay. That is, today's topic is ERP introduction and SAP navigation. First, we are learn about ERP packages. In ERP packages, many companies developed and implement various ERP packages. Okay, in the world, there are many companies use either global ERP packages or local ERP packages. Means it is made by that local software person also. It is used by the many businesses. Then what is the ERP? ERP.
Enterprise resource planning.
Yes, right.
Enterprise
Resource, and third is a planning. And for this enterprise resource planning, there is a ERP packages. ERP packages means integration of various functional as well as a technical modules. Okay, just like there is a SAP, because we are learn SAP, there is a functional module. Include which module? SAP
MM.
MM, SAP PP. PP means
For production and planning.
production and planning. Then SAP QM. What is meant by QM?
Quality management.
Quality management. Then SAP PM means plant
Production
maintenance. Okay. Plant maintenance, which include maintenance of that plants, which involve work centers and all those things. Then after there is also SAP SD. SD means sales and distribution. SAP FICO means finance and controlling module. These are the, it may be a SAP HR module also including this human resource. Okay, these module are called as a SAP functional module, or it is also called as a core module in SAP. And second thing is which module which also included, that is SAP technical module. Basically there is a two technical modules. First is a ABAP module and second is a basis. Okay, these are the various modules including SAP but in ERP also these modules are available. Then why mostly SAP is more preferable than the other module, and why it is used in a large scale industry? Because it is the ERP packages according to their budget. Okay, budget and requirement. These two words are very important. Many companies develop and implement various ERP packages according to their budget and requirement. Just like small scale industry, uh, don't go with this, do not go with these SAP modules. Okay, because
Okay.
SAP applications cost is more, and also there is a technical knowledge is also required for this SAP, and as well as there is a maintenance of this SAP is also required additional cost. So mostly they are prefer Tally. Okay, small scale industry mostly prefer Tally or local software. Why it is because of their budget and requirement is less. But in large scale industry or the manufacturing industry, there is a proper integration of the various functions. Okay, various functional available in the companies. So ERP is nothing but a enterprise. Enterprise you may be called as a company or business or industry. And these enterprise, company, business or industry require the various kind of resources. Which resources is required? Just like man, machines, money, and which resource? Important resources,
Time.
material. Okay,
Material. Okay.
material, or you may be called as a service.
Service.
So SAP material management, you may be called as a service management also, because SAP material management is also consist of a various kind of service. And these enterprise or company or business industry resources means man, it is not from M, machine, money, material or service required certain planning, because planning is the most important factor in the various kind of industries. Without planning, it is not achieve their objectives. Okay, what is the objective of company, business, industry or enterprise? Basic objective is to make the profit. Okay, make the profit or make the business more profitable. So for the suppose there is a manufacturing industry, it required a proper planning to provide the material on time to the customer. Okay, so first thing is many companies develop and implement various ERP packages according to their budget. Okay, this budget is also important, and second is a requirement. Budget and
Requirement.
requirement. These two words, when there is an interview, you can focus on these two words. Okay, that is budget and requirement. That is ERP is select from various organizations. Suppose small scale industry become a large scale industry, then they have opt for SAP, okay, or SAP S4 HANA. But if there is a small scale industry, then this is not recommended for this industry. Why it is not? Because it required a lot of manpower, okay.
Manpower.
Manpower
Manpower
is also
for
required to handle this SAP also, because for various functional module there is a manpower is required for this SAP. For Tally, it is easily understandable and it easily editable by any person, okay. There is a less security and less understanding or less knowledge required for running the Tally. But for the SAP software there is a knowledge is required, so it is consuming more financial aspect rather than the other software. So this is budget and requirement to help them meet their business needs and run their business efficiently. To help them their business need. What is the business need of that industry? First is a timely manufacturing finished goods. Okay, on time manufacturing finished goods. Second is a effective utilization of resources. And third is a to cut down cost for manufacturing. Okay, manufacturing means it is related to the inventory management. So which is the package available in SAP ERP in overall the world? That is SAP Business One. Second is a NetSuite. Third is again SAP. This is SAP related to SAP ECC R3. Okay. There is
sir, what is this SAP Business One?
SAP Business One is also one of the software just like SAP, but it is a more used by the most of the industry, which is uh, rather medium scale industry and also large scale industry also use this SAP Business One. Their software is user friendly and that is application provide us a reporting, okay, reporting or dashboard also. That is same as a SAP, but some of the additional features also I include in SAP Business One. Okay, but most for the manufacturing industry, SAP ECC is used. Okay, and there is a SEG Intact SAP S4HANA means there is three version SAP Business One, then SAP ECC R3, three-layer architecture, and this is on the real-time scenario. Okay, R means real-time, and three means three-layer architecture, and
So what is this three-layer architecture?
three-layer architecture means there is a three-layer, that is a application layer, and second is a middle layer which is called as a database layer, and there is a hardware layer. Okay, 3 layer. And means that is, suppose user give a input in application layer. Then in the server layer, that is, processing is done on a server layer. Okay, and there is a output is also in a application layer, but in the database layer there is a processing of this data and provide the output to application layer. Okay, then there is a third is a SAP S4 HANA. That is a updated and upgrade version of SAP R3. Okay, ECC. Then what is the difference between this S4 HANA and ECC? There is a
S/4HANA is a cloud-based system.
Abhishek ji,
S/4HANA is a cloud-based system.
cloud based. Okay, right. It is a cloud based as well as a this S4 HANA use the in-memory technology, in-memory strategy. That is in-memory strategy means it is run on the RAM layer. Okay, means whatever the data in ECC, that is the database support taken from either Oracle or sorry, other software, just like
Sybase is there.
which,
Sybase.
yeah, IBM
Sybase plus Sybase.
or you can call it as a SQL or SQL server. Okay, but in S4 HANA has its own database. Okay, database application. That is called as a MaxDB. MaxDB is the new feature available in this S4 HANA, and in-memory strategy is work on the RAM technology. RAM means just like in our mobile there is a RAM. Random access memory. Okay, means it is a more faster than the database because all the activity are done in the RAM layer. Just like support user give the input, here user give the input and that input pass to the database layer. Okay, it takes time to process on that data. Okay, and also after processing, it also take time to provide the output to that application layer, means front layer of the user. So it takes time, but in S4 HANA all these activity, that is input, process and output, are happen in the RAM layer. Okay, so it is more faster than the ECC. Then there is a other software also, just like Tally, Acumatica, Odoo ERP, Oracle EPS, Oracle, PeopleSoft. Then after we learn about a SAP MM, okay, is that any changes in this other ERP application? Arvind ji, hello, Abhishek ji.
Hello, sir.
The method for all ERP are near about same, okay? Just like procurement cycle, for procurement cycle, all the ERP are going through various procurement cycle. Just take an example of purchase requisition. Okay, for purchase requisition, it is the activity which is happen in all the ERPs. Okay, so in our SAP MM classes, we clear all the concept and it is used in a real-time scenario. So if there is a software is changed or application is changed, then you are not to worry to work on that software also, application or other ERP also. Okay, only you have to know that their application front end programming. Okay, front end means what is their fields and all those things you have to know. After that, all those things are similar to the this ASAP methods. Okay, just like here is a purchase order is also happen in this other ERP also. So this is the various ERP packages in SAP, but this sequence are changed. Okay, this is only for the information purpose. There is no ranking is changed according to their uses. Okay. Then second is a introduction to SAP. What is a SAP? Stand for
Some application
System
application procedure.
Application and
Procedure.
Product in Data Processing. Okay, this is the definition of SAP. That is, it consists of a system which control all the module. Okay, functional and technical. Then for these various activities of the functional and technical modules, it requires the application. Okay, and there is a hardware support of that product in data processing. All those part in data processing means just like a RDBMS concept. What is RDBMS concept?
Relation database.
Relational, right?
Database management.
Data base
Management system.
management system. Okay, first there is a only DBMS. Okay, in traditional software there is a DBMS, but in current software there is a RDBMS, means it is a relational. Okay, relation means integration of the all the modules in one application. So SAP stand for system application
Setup and
in data
setup
processing.
and data.
Then data system and introduction to SAP software. SAP stand for system application and product in data processing. SAP software is the leading enterprise information and management packages worldwide. Use of these packages make it possible to track and manage real time. Okay. Track and manage in real time. What is a real time?
Running is a current scenario type of, like if one PO has been generated, it automatically push to the store whether it is there or not. Real time.
Right, right. Abhishek, your voice is somewhat low. Okay. Can you increase your
That is very full. Noise is
volume?
my volume is full, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
It's audible, sir.
Yeah. Can you speak some louder?
Hello. It is
Hello.
audible, sir.
Yes, yes. Audible.
Hello.
Yes, audible.
Audible, sir.
Just wait. I check my. Okay, it is also right. Audible. So it is a track and manage. Tracking means tracking various kind of transaction, and manage means maintaining all type of transaction in various integration with the help of various integration in real time. Real time, as you say that real time means it work on the real time. Suppose there is a multinational MNC company work in a US, India, UK, Japan. Then suppose one user in US make the transaction of MM01, that is create material code. Then after creating that material code, at the similar time, other person can be see their activity. Okay, within a fraction of second. Means it is a real time scenario, and it is also integrated that suppose one without one transaction, without one dependent transaction, there is not reflection of other transaction. Means suppose you if you do not make the material code, then it is not possible to create a PR or PO. Okay, means it is a independent transaction is not happen, there is a dependent on the other activity also. Then it is a track and manage in real time. Real time is the word is very important for sales purpose, production, financial, accounting, and human resource, etc. in an enterprise. So SAP AG is the third largest software company in the world, founded in 1972. SAP is founded in which year?
1972.
1972.
72.
Yeah. SAP now employs more than 48,500 people. It is a registered employees. Okay. There is a dependent people is more than this million people are already dependent on SAP directly or indirectly in more than 50 countries. Okay. Means more than 50 countries SAP use. Okay. SAP already used. Then SAP global headquarters is located in which city?
For Germany,
Waldorf,
drop.
and it is a German based company. There is a 5 IBM employees who has left that IBM and founded this SAP. Okay. This is the small introduction of the SAP. Okay. Then what is the function and objective of MM? First is a MM. What is a SAP MM module? SAP MM module is a SAP ERP component that is help organization with material management. Okay. So our module is, what is our module name is
Amen.
SAP material management. Okay. With the this module is SAP ERP component that help organization with material management. Help organization material management, material, or you can call it as a service management. Okay, if there is a service, that service is also managed by the SAP MM person. Then second is a inventory management. What is the inventory management?
Warehouse management or inventory.
Yes, store
Inventory
management.
care.
Because warehouse management is the separate module. Okay, and management require the special scenario of the warehouse configuration. Okay, so it is called as a your answer is also right, but in our case there is a lot of industries use a store instead of a warehouse. Okay, then inventory management and warehouse management or store management and supply chain process. What is the supply chain
The
process?
supply chain process.
Yeah,
Supply is like whatever the product is produced in the factory. It has to go to the market. There is a distribution channel.
yes,
So
yes, right.
that how much product has to be put into the market, that can be managed by the supply.
Yes, yes, right. Means in supply
Sir,
chain process, there is a distributor, there is a dealer, there is a retailer network. Okay, and these are connected to the organization, various organization. Okay, these integration are called as a supply chains. Okay, that movement of the,
sir,
yeah,
there is a module called SCM which
yes,
helps
yes,
to
separate
manage
model.
the supply.
Yes,
So what
right.
is the difference between this?
Pardon?
What is the difference between this supply chain process and supply chain management as a module?
Basic difference is it is only part of our some of the integration part of the that supply chain management. Okay, but in this is only process. Okay, process means some integration of SAP MM are interlinked with this supply chain. Okay, this is not
Okay.
whole the scenario, but in your second question, what is a supply chain management? It is all the management of that supply chain. Okay, means whatever the person or the activities or the industry are involved in that supply chain. Okay, that is called as a supply chain management. Okay, this is not supply chain management. This is only process that is interlinked with this MM. Okay,
Okay.
this is not all the process of supply chain management. Okay, because supply chain management is a special subject. You can do PhD in SCM also. Okay, and in SCM there is separate module in for SCM in SAP.
Sir, what is about the FI part?
FI,
Sir, FICO part is
PICO
already
is
also linked.
PICO is also in for the MM person. MM person are interlinked with not only PICO, okay, but also most of the module in organization. Okay, just like you can, it is interlinked with PICO, ESD, sales and distribution, production,
Okay.
then PM,
SCM.
QM. It is the integration of all the module. Okay, we see it later how to integrate this module with the SAP MM. Okay, because material management person are the key person in any organization or any SAP consultants level. Because
Yes, it is a
SAP,
base module
Abhishek
for
ji,
other modules.
yes, it is a base for other module. If you take the example, suppose uh, there is a message that is meeting our hand in a 5 minutes. Okay, our class is 50 minutes. Okay,
Okay,
and you may be log in 5 minutes before.
maybe, sir.
You are login earlier 5 minutes early.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why
Yes, sir. I have a.
yes, that's why it is closed in a 5 minutes. Okay, and Abhishek ji, it is a auto close. Okay, when we talk, it is auto
Okay.
close. Okay, so in SAP MM, it is interlinked with the other person. It is SAP MM is the key person who has interlink with the other module also. That is a sales and distribution module. Purchasing departments also interrelated with MM, and finance person, PICO person is also related to the, because if we take the example of the any business, okay, business is based on either material or service business, okay, or sales. Sale of this material or service are basic source of the revenues. Is there any third way to gain the money? Okay, there is no third option. Either business sell material or business sell service. Okay,
Service.
and if there is a FICO model, if there is a QM module, PM module, HR module, and if there is a no material or service production, then it is a worthless. Okay, it is not function in any organization because there is no material or service. So it is material management or service management is the basic activity, most important activity in any organization. Okay, if there is a no material, then there is a no revenue. Okay, there is no balance sheet, there is no quality check for that material, there is no plant maintenance, and there is no HR. Okay, so material management is very important part in any organization, material or service management. So in material management module, it is a SAP ERP component that helps organization with material management, inventory management, and warehouse management in supply chain process. It is a part of SAP ECC's logistic function, which consists of several components and subcomponents. The most prominent component widely used component are master data, purchasing, and inventory. Okay. Most prominent component are: first is a master data, second is a purchasing, and third is inventory. Which are the master involved in this SAP MM? Abhishek ji?
Master